Good morning. In previous lecture, we learned how the image formation takes place and we learned rules of this formation. Today we will learn image formation by concave mirror. The image formed by concave mirrors depends on the position of object where it is placed. We start from first condition. We see that from first condition as when object is at infinity, the object is at infinity, we take two parallel rays in the form of AD and BB. After reflection from the concave mirror, they intersect at a point A'. We draw perpendicular on the principal axis A', B'. We see that A', B' is very small in comparison to our object. We concluded that when the object is present at infinity, the image will be formed at focus, real, inverted, and highly diminished. Once again, when object is placed at infinity, then the image formed by concave mirror will be real, inverted, highly diminished, and at focus. The object AB is present at infinity. We take two rays from the object AD and BP parallel to each other. After reflection, they intersect at point A'. We draw perpendicular on principal axis as A', B', which will be the image of the object. We find that the image of the object is highly diminished. It forms at focus, real, and inverted. Real means when two light rays intersect really, then the formed image is known as real image. If the light rays actually do not meet, we produce them, then the image formed is known as virtual image. Clear? Now we will discuss the second condition. Second is that object beyond C means after C and between infinity. When object is placed between infinity and center of curvature beyond C, then we take an object AB which is beyond the center of curvature C. We take two rays, one parallel to principal axis AD and second one is AE, okay, which passes through center of curvature. The ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through the focus, and the ray which passes through center of curvature retraces its path back. Both rays intersect to each other at point A'. We draw perpendicular on principal axis as A', B'. Hence, A', B' is the image of object AB, which is real, inverted. AB, A क्या downwards. Now, to real, inverted, diminished between C and F. Now, look that. When object lies between C and infinity means beyond C, then the image formed by concave mirror will be real, inverted, diminished, and between C and F. Now we discuss the third condition. When object at center of curvature, when object is placed at center of curvature. Then we see that we take an object AB at center of curvature. Here we take two rays AD. AD is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes to the focus, and we take second AE, which passes to focus. After reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis, and both reflected rays intersect at each other at point A dash. We draw perpendicular principal axis A dash D dash. Clear? Now A dash B dash will be the image of AB. A dash B dash will be the image of AB, which is real, inverted, at center of curvature and same size. Once again, when object is placed at center of curvature, the image formed by concave mirror will be real, inverted, same size of an object and at the center of curvature. The formation, we take an object AB which is placed at center of curvature. Two rays considered. First, AD of parallel to principal axis. After reflection passes to focus, and second AE which passes to the focus. After reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. Both reflected rays intersect at each other at point A dash. We draw perpendiculars on principal axis A dash B dash, which will be the image of AB, which is real, inverted, at center of curvature and same size of an object A. Now we will discuss the fourth condition. Object between C and A means center of curvature and focus. When object placed between center of curvature and focus. Now we consider an object AB which is placed between C and F. We consider a parallel ray which starts from object in the form of BD. After reflection, it passes to focus, and we consider a ray BE which passes through the center of curvature. After reflection, both rays meet at A dash. We draw perpendicular on the principal axis as A dash B dash. This is the image of an object AB which is real, inverted, larger than the object AB and beyond the center of curvature. Here once again we take an object AB between C and F. Consider two rays, first parallel to principal axis BD. After reflection passes through focus, and another ray which passes to center of curvature retraces its path. After reflection, both reflecting rays intersect to each other at point A dash. We draw perpendicular A dash B dash on principal axis, which is the image of an object AB. We see that the A dash B dash is real, inverted and larger than object beyond C. Now we discuss the fifth condition. When object is placed at focus, we take an object AB which is placed at focus. Consider two rays parallel to principal axis in the form of BD. After reflection passes to focus, and next one which passes to center of curvature. After reflection, they meet at infinity, and the object will be found real, inverted, highly large and at infinity. Once again, we take an object AB which is placed at focus. We consider two rays, first parallel to principal axis and second which passes to center of curvature. After reflection, they become parallel and meet at infinity. The image form of object AB will be real, inverted, highly enlarged, and at infinity. Now we will discuss the last condition, object placed between pole and focus. We take an object AB between pole and focus. We consider two rays parallel to principal axis and second one through the center of curvature. After reflection, they will not meet really. When you produce these rays backwards, they meet at point A dash. We draw perpendicular on the principal axis A dash B dash, which is the image of object AB. We see that the image in this condition is virtual because the light rays do not meet real. It is enlarged. We see that the side of AB and compare A dash B dash. The image will be enlarged. This is virtual and real. Once again, when objects placed between pole and focus, then the image formed by concave mirror will be virtual, erect, enlarged, and in front of the back side of the mirror. Then the object AB, we consider two rays. First, parallel to principal axis, and second, passing through the curvature. After reflection, they do not meet. When we produce backwards, it appears to intersect at point A dash. We draw perpendicular at the principal axis as A dash B dash, which will be the image of object A. This will be virtual, erect, enlarged, and behind the mirror. Now we will discuss the image formation by convex mirror in next video. Thank you.